Functions. Functions are predefined formula used to perform some particular operation quickly. Predefined means pre-installed. Okay? A function must always begin with an equals to sign. A function has two parts, function name and arguments. See the example. See the example of sum function. Here sum is function name. Inside bracket you have seen a1 is to d1. This is an argument. Clear, students? Let's study some common functions used in Excel. Sum function. It is used to add all the numbers in the specified range of cells. Example is given below. Students, now we will add this 5 number using sum function. Okay? First of all, we will type equals to sign, then SUM open bracket. Now we will select cell range A1 to A5, bracket close, press enter. This is the total of this 5 number. Now again type any 5 number in the cell box. This time we will type number in first row. Now we will add this 5 cell value. Okay? First of all, type equals to, then sum open bracket, select the cell A1 is to E1. Okay, and student, this A1 is to E1 is an argument. Okay, we can also say that it's a cell range. Okay, now close the bracket, press enter. Total. Okay. Average function. It is used to calculate the average of the numbers in the specified range of cells. Example is given below. Now we will average of first 5 number. Okay, 150, 260, 450, 100, 350. Now for average we will use average function. Okay, equals to, then average open bracket. Now select the arguments A1 is to A5 is the arguments or cell range. Okay, now close the bracket, press enter. Result of average function. Clear? Count function. It is used to count the number of cells in the specified range of cells that contain numerical value. Example is given below. Count function is used to count number of values in specified range of cell. Okay? Now students, type any numbers in the any cell. Okay, 56, 700, okay. Now students, here we are going to apply count function. Count, open bracket. Now select the range of cell. A1 is to A8. Now type enter. Sorry, press enter. 8. Total 8 values. It will not add. This function will not add the value. It will only count. Okay. Now if you remove any value, it will not count that number. Suppose here you just remove 10. See, it count 7 numbers only. Now you just delete 52, 800 and 900. See, it ranges up to A1 is to A8, but it count only the number which is given in and present in the cell. Okay, now you type any number here. See, again it's count 5 number. Again delete. In this range only 5 numbers are there. Clear? Max function. It is used to find the largest value in a specified range of cell. Example is given below. Max function. It is used to find the largest value in a given cell. Okay? Now type 56. Okay. Now type max function equals to max, open bracket, select the cell range, type enter. Now students, tell me the biggest number in this range is from 56 to 200, 890. See the result, 890. Okay, now change this 56 into 5000. See, and this 200 into 20,000. Okay, now this 50,000 into 89,000. So max function will always display the largest value. Mean function. It is used to find the smallest value in a specific range of cells. Example is given below. Mean function. It always used to find or show the smallest number. Okay. type some numbers. 89, 500, 1000, 2. Okay. Now here we will apply mean function equals to mean, open bracket. Now select the cell range, enter. 2 is the smallest number in this range. Now you just change this 1000 into 1. See. Now change this 2 into 2000. See. Now change this 1 into 1 lakh. Now see, 89 is the smallest number. Okay. Now change this 45,000 into 45. 45 is the smallest number. Now this 89 into 8 only. Clear? SQRT, square root function. It is used to find the square root of a value in a cell. Example is given below. SQRT function is a square root function. It is used to find square root of any number. Okay? Type any number. 16. Okay. Square root of this number is 4. Clear? Now here you type 100. Square root of 100 is 10. Okay? Now here you type 729. Square root of 729 is 27. 81, 9. Okay? Now 4. Square root of 4 is 2. And 9, 3. Clear? Today function. It is used to display the current date. Example is given below. Today function is used to display current date. Okay? Type equals to TODAY. Bracket open, bracket close. Student, here no argument is required. Okay? It should be empty or vacant. Okay? Now type enter. Okay?